Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello and welcome to AI Music Director. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how you can create amazing AI music videos automatically using AI. No video editing skills, no graphic design experience, no spending hours creating content. Everything is done for you in just a few clicks. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the powerful tools available inside AI Music Director: AI Video Creator Viral Song, Prompt to Song, Lyrics to Song, Viral Sound Effect, AI Voiceover, Lyrics Maker, SEO Agent, Find Viral Niches, Analyze Competitors, High RPM Topics, SEO Keywords, A/B Testing. Everything you need to create, optimize, and grow your AI music content is available in one simple dashboard. Let's begin with the AI Video Creator. This is where you create engaging AI music videos in just minutes. Simply, enter a prompt or keywords to generate lyrics. Choose your niche or topic. Select your video size. Choose your video style. Select your scene type. Then click Generate. Within moments, AI Music Director automatically creates a professional quality music video for you.
Latest war news. It's breaking fast.
Turn up the volume, feel the blast!
Items on the screen, don't miss the beat.
Truth's on fire, can't take a seat!
Stay in the out, and it's behind.
Next, let's open the Viral Song menu. Creating songs is incredibly simple. Here you'll find different AI tools to generate songs, sound effects, and lyrics automatically. Let's open Prompt to Song. Here you'll see your song library. Simply, click Generate Song. Enter your prompt. Click Submit. Within just a few minutes, your AI-generated song is ready. Now let's open Lyrics to Song. Here you'll also see your song library. Simply, click Generate Lyrics. Song, choose your preferred music style, enter your lyrics, click Submit. Within minutes, AI transforms your lyrics into a complete song. Next, let's open Viral Sound Effect. Simply, click Generate Sound Effect, enter your prompt, choose the sound duration, click Submit. Within minutes, your custom AI sound effects are ready. Now let's open AI Voiceover. Simply, click Generate Voiceover, enter your script or prompt, choose the voice duration, click Submit. Within minutes, your professional AI voiceover is generated.
I'm losing count of how many people told me this is how they made their first money online. Domain flipping. Except now, AI does all the hard work. It tells you what to buy, what it's worth, and where to sell it. A-flip domains just remove the risk.
Next, let's open Lyrics Maker. Creating lyrics is incredibly easy. Simply, enter your prompt, click Submit. Within seconds, AI generates professional quality song lyrics. Next, let's explore the SEO Agent. Creating SEO content is simple. Inside, you'll find powerful tools to discover viral niches, analyze competitors, uncover high RPM topics, generate SEO keywords, and compare titles using A/B testing. Let's open find viral niches. Simply enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI discovers trending and viral niches for your content. Now let's open Analyze Competitors. Simply search using a keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI analyzes your competitors and shows valuable insights to help you outperform them. Next, let's open High RPM Topics. Simply enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI finds high-value content topics with excellent monetization potential. Now let's open SEO Keywords. Simply enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI generates optimized SEO keywords and content suggestions to help your videos rank higher. Finally, let's open A/B testing. Simply enter title A, enter title B, click Submit. Within seconds, AI compares both titles and provides detailed insights to help you choose the best performing option. Don't forget to explore the bonus section. You'll find exclusive resources and additional AI tools designed to help you grow even faster. If you ever need assistance, simply click Support. Our team is always ready to help whenever you need it. Instead of spending hours creating videos, songs, and music content every day, AI Music Director helps you. Create AI music videos, generate songs from prompts, turn lyrics into complete songs, create AI sound effects, generate professional song lyrics, discover viral niches, find high RPM topics, generate SEO keywords and content, compare titles with A/B testing, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. And that's your quick walkthrough of AI Music Director. Now it's your turn. Log in, explore all the powerful AI tools, and start creating incredible videos, songs, voiceovers, lyrics, sound effects, and viral content, all in just a few minutes. Welcome to the future of AI-powered music creation with AI Music Director.